BOTY. This was mentioned over in the chat on investorshangout.com/live. And that's what we're going to do real quick here. Take a look at it in live time. If you could see here, if it's still in the, okay, so you see there in the left corner of your screen, Jobam, BOTY 005. So he called that over here shortly ago inside the chat. We're taking a look at that right now. Currently trading at 006. Congratulations to him. He's just nailing it out of the park here. Call after call, every time we take a look at it, it's headed up. So like I said, congratulations. It looks like going back here, not too much trades in the past, but now there's starting to get some love here, some action coming in. Starting in November, basically trading sideways. And what I like about this right now is that it finally got above that 20-day simple moving average right here on the 5th of November or December. And it got below there, but currently trading right now above it. Okay. And you see this Bollinger Band's getting tight and the simple day moving average is getting tight. I think that this one's getting ready to explode. I really do.
I'm not laughing at like the stock, and I'm just like what he said. How you say it's gonna explode and stuff. This company's called Lingerie
I know.
Fighting Championship.
That was kind of the joke. And when you started laughing, I was like, okay, you got it. Yeah. So congratulations to everybody that's watching this. Congratulations to Jobam. I really think that this one's got a lot of potential here. I would really keep an eye on this one. I'm gonna put a star next to this one because I really think that this one's gonna have a lot of potential, guys. So, Joe, do you got anything to add to this one?
Let's see, their last press release was on November 30th, and it was Lingerie Fighting Champions Incorporated report to shareholders. So they basically just had a message to shareholders, and it stated this year has been a transformative year for Lingerie Fighting Champions Championship. Several managing partners were removed from decision-making roles in the first quarter due to their inability to provide promised funding. We secured funding to provide for the company's short-term financial requirements by issuing convertible promissory notes to a limited number of investors. Recently, these investors initiated conversion of these convertible promissory notes into shares in the company's common stock, placing significant downward pressure on the share price. At the same time, the conversion of these convertible promissory notes has reduced our debt and resulted in a substantial increase in our stock's liquidity. Previously, there was virtually no volume in the market for our shares last Friday, November 25th. So basically it goes into that. On the operations side, the year has been very positive. Our television coverage has grown to more than 2,000 cable and satellite systems. We licensed to networks in Japan and France, held our first live event in Europe, and launched a reality series on Tough TV. So we also achieved several new milestones. Previous this year, the company had never held more than one live event in a single calendar year. This year we held 3, June 18th in NYSE, California, on October 29th in Newtown in North Dakota, and November 10th in Bratislava, Slovakia. In 2014, we often were required to pay upwards of $3,000 to rent venues to hold live events. In 2016, a venue paid LFC $35. So they basically went from having to actually pay the venues to now they're being paid to hold the venues there. That's always a good sign.
Oh, yeah. So, hey, like I said, BOTY, keep an eye on it. It was mentioned over at investorshangout.com/live. I think that the stock has a lot of potential. Now you're up to 007 from the mention over here in the chat at 005. So congratulations to Jobam and everybody else that is tuning in right now that's keeping an eye on this one. So we're going to move forward and